What if your dream luxury car turned into a financial nightmare the moment the warranty runs out? You save up, you finally get the car you've always wanted, and then bam, the repair bills hit. Thousands for simple fixes, electronics that fail out of nowhere. Suddenly the dream car feels more like a trap. Most luxury vehicles look incredible on the outside, but under the hood, they're hiding problems that show up just when you're on your own, post-warranty. But not these. In this video, we're breaking down 9 luxury cars that are actually worth owning long-term. The rare ones that combine performance, comfort, and durability without draining your wallet. And wait until you see the last one. It's been called one of the toughest luxury car ever made, a true survivor in a market full of fragile showpieces. Starting our list with the Volvo S60. Volvo isn't always the first name that comes to mind when you think of luxury, but maybe it should be, especially if you're looking for something that blends comfort, performance, and long-term reliability. Inside, you get understated Scandinavian luxury, clean lines, quality materials, and a cabin that still feels fresh years later. And when it comes to safety, Volvo is often ahead of the curve, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even collision avoidance tech becoming standard in many models. If you want a luxury sedan that doesn't chase trends, but quietly outperforms the competition in the long run, the Volvo S60 is one of the smartest choices you can make after the warranty expires. Moving on to the Audi S4. Here's something you don't hear often: a German performance sedan that's actually reliable. The Audi S4 from the B8 and B8.5 generations flips the script. While most luxury sports sedans start breaking down once the warranty ends, this one keeps going, thanks to one major decision: no turbo. Instead, it uses a 3.0-liter supercharged V6, which means fewer parts to fail, smoother power delivery, and way less drama under the hood. You can pair it with a buttery-smooth ZF 8-speed automatic, or go full driver-focused with a 6-speed manual. And thanks to Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive, this car doesn't just perform, it sticks to the road in every season. Now sure, it's not flawless. Some owners have run into thermostat problems, and like a lot of direct injection engines, carbon buildup on the intake valves can be an issue. If you're looking at early dual-clutch models, keep an eye on mechatronic unit wear. It's not a deal-breaker, but it's something to watch. Still, compared to older Audis with turbo troubles and oil consumption nightmares, the B8 S4 is in a different league. It delivers the speed, handling, and prestige without the breakdowns. Next up, we have the Infiniti Q50. The Infiniti Q50 is one of the most underrated luxury sedans you can own, especially after the warranty ends. It might not have the same badge prestige as a BMW or Audi, but here's the thing: what it lacks in branding, it makes up for in pure mechanical reliability and long-term value. And in a world of overly complex, high-maintenance luxury cars, that's exactly what makes the Q50 such a smart buy. Let's start with the engine. The early Q50s came with a 3.7-liter naturally aspirated V6, part of Nissan's proven VQ series. This power plant has been in everything from the 370Z to the G35, and it's earned its reputation as a workhorse. With proper oil changes and basic upkeep, it's not uncommon to see these engines pass 250,000 miles without any major mechanical issues. No turbochargers to fail, no high-strain fuel systems, just old-school durability paired with 328 horsepower. In 2016, Infiniti introduced the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, a newer VR series engine that took things to the next level. Producing up to 400 horsepower in the Red Sport trims, this engine manages to blend serious performance with surprisingly solid reliability. Both engines are mated to a 7-speed automatic transmission that's known for being smooth and relatively trouble-free. Still, here's what really matters: the Q50 delivers luxury performance with far fewer long-term headaches. And with depreciation working in your favor, you can pick up a low-mileage, well-equipped model for far less than you'd pay for a similar BMW 3 Series or Audi A4, and often get better reliability in return. So if you're looking for a powerful, comfortable, and dependable luxury sedan that won't leave you stranded or broke. Once the warranty ends, the Infiniti Q50 deserves a serious look. Next on our list is the Lexus RX 350. If you're looking for an SUV that'll last longer than most people keep their homes, this is it. The Lexus RX 350 is one of those rare luxury vehicles that just doesn't quit. We're talking 300,000 miles and counting, with nothing more than routine maintenance. It's the kind of reliability that turns owners into lifelong fans. What makes it so dependable? Under the hood is a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6, no turbos, no high-pressure fuel systems, just good old-fashioned engineering that doesn't try to overcomplicate things. And paired with an 8-speed automatic in newer models, it delivers smooth, consistent power that's built to last. Mechanically, it's practically bulletproof. The most common complaints? Minor dash rattles and the occasional infotainment glitch. Nothing that'll leave you stranded. That said, there's one thing to watch out for. Early models from 2010 to 2012 had issues with excessive oil consumption. If you're shopping used, skip those years and aim for a later model with a solid service history. The RX 350 isn't flashy, and it's not going to win any races. But if you care more about reliability than excitement, this SUV is nearly impossible to beat. Moving on to the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Let's be honest, when you hear used Mercedes, you probably think expensive repairs and electrical nightmares. But the W212 generation E-Class? It's one of the few exceptions. This is a rare case where German engineering actually lives up to the hype. Built between 2010 and 2016, the W212 is known for being surprisingly reliable, especially when equipped with the M276 3.5-liter V6 or the OM642 diesel V6. These engines are rock solid, often running for hundreds of thousands of miles with nothing more than standard maintenance. The 7-speed automatic transmission is also tough, and in the diesel variants, the OM642 is so reliable that it's still used in commercial vans today. Even the V8-powered E550 has aged well. Just know that it comes with higher maintenance costs as expected. That said, not every W212 is bulletproof. Early models, especially from 2010 to early 2011, are known for transmission software bugs, timing chain stretch, and occasional air suspension failures in certain trims. If you're in the market, aim for 2012 and up. Mercedes ironed out most of the kinks by then. What really makes this E-Class stand out is its balance. It offers all the prestige and comfort you'd expect from a Mercedes, but without the tech overload that plagues newer models. And when you compare it to today's tech-heavy, over-engineered Mercedes models with sky-high failure rates, the W212 feels like the last of its kind, a truly durable, long-term luxury car. Next up, we have the Genesis G80. It might not wear a flashy badge, but the Genesis G80 has earned its place among the most reliable luxury sedans you can buy, especially once the warranty runs out. Genesis, Hyundai's upscale brand, was built on a simple promise: give luxury buyers what they really want: comfort, power, and long-term reliability without the drama. And with the G80, they delivered. Under the hood, you've got two excellent engine options: the 3.8-liter V6 and the 5.0-liter Tau V8. Both are naturally aspirated, which is a big deal in a market flooded with turbocharged engines prone to expensive failures. The 3.8-liter is silky smooth, delivering around 311 horsepower, while the 5.0-liter V8 puts out a meaty 420 horsepower, and both engines are known for crossing 200,000 miles with nothing more than scheduled maintenance. You're also getting Hyundai's 8-speed automatic transmission, which has proven to be remarkably robust over time. No finicky dual-clutch nonsense, no jerky shifts, just smooth, consistent operation, year after year. But this car isn't just mechanically reliable, it's a full-on luxury experience. Inside, the G80 stuns with real wood accents, soft leather seats, excellent sound insulation, and a layout that feels more like a high-end European sedan than something from a rising brand. A Genesis G80 that cost $55,000 new can often be found for less than $25,000 used, and that's with low mileage and a full suite of luxury features. But here's the bottom line. If you want a luxury sedan that feels high-end, drives beautifully, and keeps repair bills low after the warranty ends, the Genesis G80 is one of the smartest, most underrated choices out there. Continuing with the BMW X5, here's a phrase you don't hear every day: a reliable BMW SUV. But that's exactly what the BMW X5 xDrive 40i brings to the table, and it's all thanks to one game-changing upgrade: the B58 engine. This 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six isn't just strong, it's one of the most dependable engines BMW has ever built. In fact, it's so solid that Toyota chose it for the modern Supra, and if Toyota signs off on it, you know it's bulletproof. With 335 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque, it delivers smooth, responsive power without the breakdown drama that haunts older BMW drivetrains. The X5 also comes paired with the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, known industry-wide for its durability and silky shifts. This combination is a huge step up from the older X5s, especially the ones with twin-turbo V8s, which were notorious for oil leaks, timing chain issues, and cooling system failures. Now let's talk about the ride. The X5 delivers a refined, sporty feel that's rare in larger SUVs. You get agile handling, confident highway cruising, and a cabin that feels upscale without being flashy. Inside, it's classic BMW, driver-focused layout, high-quality materials, and a clean digital dash that still feels modern. What should you watch for? Air suspension components can wear out over time, especially in higher mileage units. While it's not a deal-breaker, it's something to keep in mind during a pre-purchase inspection. And when you compare it to other luxury SUVs that practically fall apart after 80,000 miles, the X5 40i stands tall as a rare BMW you can actually rely on, even years after the warranty runs out. And last but not least, we have our champion, the Acura MDX. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that feels more like a long-term partner than a short-term thrill, the Acura MDX should be at the top of your list. Built on Honda's bulletproof engineering, the MDX blends upscale features with a reputation for rock-solid reliability, especially under the hood. Most models are powered by the legendary J35 3.5-liter V6, one of the most durable engines ever built. Owners regularly report passing 250,000 miles with only routine maintenance like oil changes, timing belt replacements, and basic fluid checks. And while it's dependable, it doesn't sacrifice performance. The J35 puts out around 290 horsepower, giving the MDX enough power for confident highway merging and family road trips, all while staying smooth and refined. Inside, the MDX punches above its weight with a luxurious cabin, standard leather upholstery, power-adjustable seating, tri-zone climate control, and plenty of advanced safety tech, much of which came standard years before other brands caught up. But no vehicle is flawless. Some earlier MDX models, especially from 2016 to 2019, experienced occasional hiccups with the 9-speed automatic transmission, like rough or delayed shifting. Acura addressed most of these with software updates, but it's something to check for during a test drive. What really sets the MDX apart, though, is owner loyalty. This SUV has one of the highest long-term retention rates in its segment. People don't just buy them, they keep them. And when a luxury SUV gets driven for 15+ years and still feels solid, that tells you everything you need to know. In the world of used luxury SUVs, the MDX hits that sweet spot between refinement, practicality, and reliability. It's a vehicle that does it all, without draining your savings post-warranty. These cars prove one thing loud and clear: you don't have to sacrifice reliability to enjoy real luxury. Whether it's a Lexus that runs forever, a BMW that defies sports car stereotypes, or a sleeper like the Genesis G80, every model on this list offers long-term peace of mind without losing the premium feel. And now I want to hear from you. If you could pick just one of these to own for the next 10 years, which would it be? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to see which one comes out on top.